In this tutorial I will show you how to share your Spotify Wrapped 2022 to an Instagram story. All you basically got to do is go to Spotify. Now here you can see your Spotify Wrapped right about there. Now if that doesn't show up, I made video about that, how to fix that issue. I will leave the link of that video in the description. Now you can just simply click on it. And some of these stories you can actually share individually. Some of these stories are just like, they just want to tell you something. Now go to the last one. If you just click on share, you have a couple of different options. Click on Instagram stories. It will open up to Instagram, and over here you can easily put it to your story.